Hi, welcome to Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a web-based customer relationship management software designed with sales teams in mind, particularly those in small and medium-sized businesses. It emphasizes a visual and user-friendly approach to sales pipeline management. Pipedrive organizes leads and deals using a visual pipeline metaphor. You can see all your deals at different stages of the sales process in a single view, allowing you to focus on the most important ones. Pipedrive helps you capture and qualify leads, track their interactions with your business, and nurture them into paying customers. Create stunning emails with templates and a simple drag-and-drop builder. Pipedrive provides insightful reports and dashboards that help you track your sales performance, identify trends, and forecast future revenue. Pipedrive offers a marketplace with hundreds of integrations for various third-party tools and services, allowing you to extend the functionality of Pipedrive to fit your specific needs. Pipedrive provides a 14-day free trial with each plan, and paid plan starts at $9.90 per month. If you want to use Pipedrive for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.